Good morning, students. This is your geography lesson. Students, as you know very well that we are discussing about the transport, and in this regard we have discussed different means of transportation in Pakistan. Today we will discuss about water transport. So we start our lesson. What is water transport? Water transport is the process of moving people, goods, etc. by barge, boat, ship, or sailboat over a sea, ocean, lake, canal, river, etc. Waterways are important for handling high bulk goods which do not need quick movement. The inland waterways along rivers are not developed, but seaports handle most of the international trade. At present, the country has two major seaports. They are at Kimari in Karachi and Port Qasim. In addition, a fish harbour cum mini port is being developed at Gwadar. First of all, we will discuss about Kimari Port. Kimari Port is a national seaport. The port at Karachi is located to the west of the Indus Delta on the Arabian Sea, and it is a deep water natural seaport with a long approach channel and can receive tankers, containers, bulk, and general cargo ships. It is also a natural harbour sheltered by the islands of Kimari and a breakwater at Manoa. It has several wharves, i.e., a place where cargo loads, unloads. So it has vast land. It has capacity to loads and unloads cargoes and goods. It receives cargo, ships, tankers, and containers. As it is natural harbor, it's a natural seaport, so it receives a huge number of cargo, ships, tankers, and containers. What is modernization of Kimari Port? Its port facilities have been provided, support facilities have been provided for the transportation, storage, and unloading of liquid products. First facility that has been updated, that has been modernized, is that there is facility to for the storage and unloading liquid products. To bypass traffic congestion in the port area, flyover bridges are constructed, and other facility available here is that there is flyover bridges constructed by the government to reach to easy access to the port, seaport. To increase in the volume of cargo is handled by the rehabilitation of berths. It means there are development by means of financial assistance from the government. Measures have been taken for environmental protection and keeping the sea water clean. So there are practices and there are planning for the environmental protection on the seaport. There is also improvement and development in the storage facilities from the east and west wharves. Cargo handling has been modernized by container terminals at West Wharf. To keep the cargo safe and sound, modern techniques and methods have been used here. Port Qasim, another important port is Port Qasim. It is another natural deep sea port of Pakistan. It is also another natural seaport of Pakistan. It relieves the workload on Kimari port by utilizing modern machinery. So when there is burden on Kimari port, it assists Kimari port and it uh, minimize the workload on that seaport. It handles raw materials for Pakistan steel mill. One of the specialty of this port is that it deals with raw materials. It combines functions of industrial zones and multi-purpose deep sea port. So it serves industrially and as well as the other purposes of seaport. It handles the cargo containing jute, LPG, iron ore, edible oil, grain, fertilizers, and coal. So, from this seaport, trading can be done, and the special things and special goods that have been transported from here are jute, LPG, iron ore, edible oil, grain, fertilizers, and coal. Industries include assemblies, cotton textiles, chemicals, paper, and board. So, these are the special industries uh, and members of the industries who send items, goods, and cargo through this seaport. Gwadar Port. It is located at the Makran coast, Balochistan. Where it is located? It is located at the Makran coast, Balochistan. Balochistan is the uh, capital of Pakistan. So, in the Makran coast, it is located. It can become a milestone event in Pakistan's economic development. So it has an important place in the economic growth of Pakistan. If Gwadar port is developed, then it will serve the country's economy in the following ways. So, if Gwadar port has been developed and government pays more attention on this seaport, so it can be helpful in the development of economy of Pakistan. It will facilitate the export of Balochistan's fruits and result in Balochistan's development. A very important development, a very important place which it has in the economy of Pakistan is that if it is developed and government pays attention towards this seaport, it can upgrade the economic development of Balochistan, as Balochistan is rich in minerals and fruits and dry fruits as well. So, by using and by getting this opportunity, we can export goods, fruits, minerals through this seaport to other countries. If Port Qasim or Kimari is affected in any way, then it can serve as a substitute port. It can serve as an interport for case helping both Pakistan and Afghanistan's economy. And other important part of this seaport is that it can be helpful between two countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan. With these collaboration, Pakistan and Afghanistan's economy can be developed more. Yes, can open their warehouse at Gwadar port for storing export material. So, the case, the countries who are trading with Pakistan, they can store their export material on this place. Afghanistan can also store their export material at Gwadar port. So, this is your lesson for today. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.